سلام كمي تخونو خمي اللهم طبعا تبو ابتي لايف كلنا تكاتلنا نبركم مسداويتكا اوريدي سو فار بصحكم اللهم ابو خلون اشتي حبريت هاجرنا هنا احوات كمتي ابتي زينات ريوز اللهم بايدن فاينالي اني تطو ابي لبلنا له سلازي زغهر هابكا وال مسنات كاليغاسي كسافجي اغلغليو صريحيو ናይ ባይደን ንፍዕ መራሒ ምዃኑ ኩልና ዘይንስሕቶ ወይ ከዓ ንፈልጦ እዩ ኣገባቢ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ባይደን ንምንታይ የቋሪፅ ዘሎ ሕዋት ነቲ ናይቲ ፕሬዚደንታዊ ውድድር ምስ ትራምፕ ዝነበረ ይቋሪፅ ዘሎ ስቲል መግለፂ ኣብዚ ሳምንት እዚ ክንረኽቦ ኢና መወዳእታ እንታይ እቲ ፕሮፖዛል ከቕርበና ዝኽእል እንታይ ይመስል ክንገር ኢና ክንሰምዖ ኢና ኮይና ተሪፋ ግን ባይደን ኖ ሞር ምስ ትራምፕ ኣብ ውድድር ይኣቱ ስለዚ ዲሞክራቲክ ንመን እዮም ከምፅኡ ወይ ከዓ እንታይ ክመፅእ ሶፋር ኣኮርዲንግ ቱ ዘለና ፕሪዲክሽን ካማላ ሃሪስ እያ ዘላ ግን ኦፊሻሊ ካማላ ሃሪስ ዝኾን ኣይበለን ወላ ሂለሪ ይበለን ካልእ ኣይበለን ስለዚ ናብቲ ንእሽተይ ዘለና ኒውስና ክንመፅእ ማለት ሕዋት መዓልካ የናስ so let's go to ጽቡቕ ነገር እዩ ዲሞክራቲክ እዚ ጽቡቕ ነገር እዩ ምክንያቱ ባይደን is done ሕዋት ባይደን is done that's all ሕጂ ናይ ዕድመ ኢና ንዛረብና ሕዋት ሕማቅ ኮይኑ ይኮነን ወይ ከዓ ካብ ትራምፕ ሕማቅ ኮይኑ ይኮነን ኦኬ ንትራምፕ እኮ ስዒርዎ ዝሓለፈ ርኢና ኢና ሲኮነን ትሕቶ ሕጂ ግን ናይ ዕድመ ወዲ 82 ዓመት ንድሕርኮንካ ኣኺሉ ክሳብ ዝኾነ ተቐቢልዎ ኩሎም ንትራምፕ ፓፒ ማስተር ኢሉ ፀሪፎ ንኦባማ ማለት እዩ ብዙሕ ፀርፊ ነይሩ ልዕሊ 33 ኮንግረስ ብሓፈሻ ሴኔተር በል ኣብ ናይ ሃውስ በል ኩሎም እዚኣቶም ጠጠው ከተብል ኣለካ ዝነበረ ፕሬጀር ፅቕተት ሰሎሞ ዓንቲ ፋይናሊ ሂ ሴድ ዳት ጠጠው ኣቢለ ኢሉሎ ማለት እዩ ሶ ጠጠው ኣቢለ ማለት ነቲ ዘሎ ናይ 4 ወርሒ ናይ 5 ወርሒ ከም ፕሬዚደንት ክቕፅል እዩ ኮይኑ ግን ነቲ ግጥም ወይ ከዓ መስቲ መን ይኸውን 2025 መራሒ ወይ ከዓ ፕሬዚደንት ዝብል ምስ ትራምፕ ዲቤቲንግ ክኣቱ ዝኽእል ንኣብነት ሰፕተምበር 10 ካልእ Well, let's see what happened. Many of them scan is saying after news can get it looks like Kamala Harris, but let's get it what I know good air why all right let's get it some news Malati.
Taking all these calls for him to drop out, but him making this
be able to overtake former President Trump. Hallie.
Of course, the Democratic National Convention set to begin just 4 weeks from tomorrow with a massive question now about what that convention looks like, who delivers, of course, that critical primetime speech accepting the Democratic nomination for the presidency. Kristen, I have to wonder here, and I know that our teams are still reporting this out, every time we have seen President Biden publicly over the course of the last several weeks, Kristen, he has struck a defiant tone. His campaign, his top leadership has suggested that he and they were frankly dug in, looking at where the polling numbers were, looking at, as they described it, the millions of Americans who chose to elect Joe Biden and who voted for him, of course, in that primary process. Do we have any sense, Kristen, yet of what has changed in the mind of President Biden? I know we have some reporting over the course of the last several days that top Democratic leadership, including former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, top Senate Democrat Chuck Schumer, expressed to the president privately that polling showed he was unlikely to win come November. Might that have had an impact?
I think that was ultimately what compelled President Biden to reach this decision, what had to be an excruciating decision, Hallie, because he was incredibly defiant that he was not going to drop out of the race. But you're absolutely right. The fact that there seemed to be this coordinated effort by Democratic leadership, Nancy Pelosi, Hakeem Jeffries, Chuck Schumer, frankly, former President
So زم كلهم تقسم زل حوات بقابون حكيم شومر ناي هاوس ريبريزنتاتيف زل حلافي مالتيو and then Chuck Schumer ناي سيناتور حلاف زل President Obama كلدان فولتينا Obama مالتيو well everybody ادم نبعلو كاليفورنيا قبل كلهم زم حالفتو ويك اكيلات زبهلو ططو كتبلال كايلوم بريجر غيروملو finally he drop out كبل كله ግን drop out انا نوددر يقارص زل حوات مس نوددر يقارص زلمبر ገና እቲ ሌይዳውን ናቱ እቲ ፕላን ናቱ ወይ ከዓ እንታይ መስል እቲ ኣናውንስ ሃይገብረን ዘሎ ነቲ ኔሽን ኣናውንስ ገብረልና ወይም ማለት ኔክስት ዊክ ዲኾን ዝኽእል ማእሲ ኣናውንስ ገብረልና ማለት እዩ ብምቕፃል ግን አይደን አፕዴት ቦርን ምናልባት ኣናውንስ ተገይሩ ህጂ ኣሕዋት ብምቕፃል ግን መን ክኸውን ይኽእል መራሒ መን ክኸውን ይኽእል ምስ ትራምፕ ኣብ ክትዕ ከኣቱ ዝኽእል መን እዮም ኖሚኔት ገብሩ ህጂ ዲሞክራቲክ ማይ ሆፕ Kamala Harris, Hillary, many muscle. Let's say
Obama expressing concern.
just he's dropped out.
Covering the president, what we certainly know is that he has a close circle of advisors, some of whom have been with him in Rehoboth Beach during this time of convalescence with COVID, something many Americans have had multiple times and understand what that is like, and family around him, key family members. Among his closest advisors has always been the First Lady, Dr. Jill Biden, his sister, Valerie Biden Owens, and key family members like his son, Hunter Biden. We don't know exactly the timeline of how all of this came together, but we know that clearly the president had wanted to continue. He also was hearing the voices from within his own party to be the president running for re-election. You are, in fact, the standard bearer of that party, and the bow had been breaking.
Yeah, it's good. I don't know why. Malet طافي واي كون نزي كل بروجر نيرو يحوات بمول أمم دول نيرم مسدرا بيتو أب حدا بيتشي نيرو أنا مالت هجي مسدرا بيتو ممكن حاسبوا له قنينا we were waiting لو ما عندنا ذا سنبت زيادة تسبينا نحوات قال نجر كمت أنا so سنبت تسبي وايز كل هزبي so we want that تسبينا خا ملسه بنا له ملسه بنا خا أنت عايز بتملسو yes أجربة رئيس بحاليلن أي كسرنا خلتشان عسران حموشن منخا you know what who can bring in here Joe Nuguse, man, Joe Nuguse, Democrat, is a great guy. He's an Eritrean guy in Colorado. I love that guy. He's super ambassador. By the way, he's great. Joe Nuguse, he's young. Somehow, house he's alone. Joe Nuguse is good. He was candidate ni Trump impeachment so had never kept candidate ambassador. So I don't know. Are they gonna look at it now? But first of all, let's get it. Joe Nuguse let's do I just like him. He's an Eritrean too, man. Yeah, let's get it, my friend. Yeah, Kamala Harris is the top one now. 80% Aloha Kamala Harris is gonna be. Again, we don't know yet. Many ni Trump we don't know yet. So Hillary Clinton is just about 8% down. So the most probably is Kamala Harris Malikim. So yeah, she's gonna be. The most probability. It's not clear. Not clear. Clear icon. Yeah, thanks, early bird. Maybe Kamala Harris or Hillary Clinton is one of them. Newsom, California. I don't think so, but this absent Clinton in stay mality. So entitled to have you Joe Biden تحيفوا لهم معنتي ناب X كنكيد. Alright, this is his Elon Musk exactly like yeah. Joe just dropped out. This is the one as this mentioned is to have over the past 3.5 years that we have made a great progress to our nation. So today America has the strongest economic in the world. Okay, yeah, of course we know that. Okay, we made like an historic investment in rebuilding our nations and lowering prescriptions of anyway. This is all it's not necessary. So what I will speak to the nation later this week in more detail about my decision. So decisions later this week's so that's all we have. The breaking news ولا حنتي يلن نسو down coin خمس الله مالتها قارئ أو خمس الله خاطر رئيسات حبر قال just that's all we have. To be short the video, who's gonna be the next? We don't know. Is Kamala Harris? Maybe. Is this like I don't know. Hillary? We don't know. So ممر تقريني أتزارف حكا أنت sometimes سعرني مثلاً thank you أصدر بقى تقريني as الزارب يزي بالمو حدا جزاز حوسي بلك تحماق قالت سلازي مبرا لما ودي أتخنت أفحوات بايدن كاب وددر طويل له كاب بايدن ببعلو بزقني مستدرا بيتو يكون كلهم كونغرس يكونوا على حلفت بمولهم زنبرو ناي سيناتور يكونوا لعل 37 أكيبهم أول قبل زقني وقني كلنا سمعنا يعني حدا بحدا نمص سو فاينال لهم معنتي إذا دبداب هلكم أبدأ نقرنا له ناتا ديتيل ستيل كنقرنا يجن طويل له رئيس أو ضد بحال مس ترامب أيوالا درني سلازي ديمقراطيك أنت كامالا هاريس ده أنت هيلاري دي أنت خالق سب مريض أم لمامس يوم مس ترامب زوارادر ني بريزيدنت نخلتش حن 25 سب كومسلنايم هيجي نومينيت كونيو انتي مثلا عبز خلت مع 3 سنوات خنفلتنا ما سبك خنفلتنا قدمي أغسطس حدا ناي قدن خنفلتنا مالتي so That's all. That's all. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So thank you. Let's see who's gonna be. Joe, man, Joe Nuguse, as Eritrean guy, right? Oh, by the way, Joe Nuguse, I'm not kidding. It's out. He's gonna be the feature. ማለት ሓደ ካብቶም ተስፋ ዘለዎም መንእሰይ እዩ ብጣዕሚ ኣንበሳ ሻርፕ ዝኾነ እዩ ወዲ 30 ገለን ዓመት ይውን ብጣዕሚ ኣብ ሃውስ ብጣዕሚ ንፉዕ ታራ ዘለዎ እዩ so ትፅቢት ኣለና ኣነ ፊቸር whatever ናይ ሃውስ ሓላፊ እንዳኾነ መፅኡ ዳንጭዑ ናብ ሰነት ክመፅእ ካብ ሰነት ከዓ ናብ ፕሬዚደንት መፅሉ ባይዳ I hope so he's so smart but he's identical great guy ማለት እዩ so ናይ ተኣሽሙ ገረያ ዳኻይኮን ናይ ዓዲ ገረያ ኻይኮን ምሽ right okay all right guys thank you so much all right let's see what happened Biden is done thank you to Biden all right bye bye